How to FaceTime on Android with iPhone users, what you can and cannot do. This may come as a shock, but with FaceTime links in iOS 15, macOS Monterey, and later anyone, even an Android user, can join a FaceTime call. For too long, Android users have been excluded from many of Apple flourishing apps and services, including iMessages and FaceTime, while text from Android devices to iPhones may remain green for the foreseeable future. Apple has been a little more generous about sharing its video calling platform. Android users still cannot initiate a FaceTime call or download the FaceTime app, but Apple users can send an invitation link to their Android friends to hop on a video call like a one-way Zoom link. Also, how and why to clear the cache on your Android. Here a breakdown of how to do it. How to FaceTime on Android with iPhone users. 1. Make sure the iPhone users have installed the latest software version. The FaceTime call must be initiated by an Apple user first. Here are the minimum requirements for the supported devices: iPhone iOS 15 or later, iPad OS 15 or later, Mac OS 12 Monterey or later. Second, send or receive a FaceTime link. As the sender host, go to the FaceTime app on your iPhone, iPad or Mac and select the create link option in the top left corner. Shall then be given a unique link to distribute to a contact regardless of the device brand. You can also attach a name to the link for a more formal or personal touch. People who join the call using the FaceTime link from an Android or Windows device would not have to log in to join a FaceTime call. Also, how to record a call on your iPhone and check if it's legal in your state. As the receiver, once the Apple user has sent you a FaceTime invitation, click the link from your Messages app and your internet browser will open in new windows. Then allow your browser access to your camera and microphone if you have not already. Once the link has loaded, you shall be prompted to enter your name before joining FaceTime calls. Tap continue when you are all set. Third, accept and join the FaceTime call as the sender host. After you send out the FaceTime link, Apple will automatically send a message to the receiver prompting the user to join your FaceTime call. Once your guest clicks on the invitation, shall be prompted to accept or decline their entry request by clicking a check mark or an X, similar to hosting a Zoom meeting. Ensure that you frequently check the app on your Apple device so you don't leave your guest hanging. More, how to record a call on your Android phone as the receiver. Android user, it's your turn. All that's required for you to join a FaceTime is a call link and stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. To join, click the FaceTime link and then the green join button. If all goes well, your face will appear in a small box in the bottom right corner of the screen of your Android phone. If the host of the call has not joined yet, the surrounding screen will remain black with a waiting for others to join notification at the top.